Hi everyone, welcome back Dream Cars. Today we're diving into the stunning 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE 53 Coupe, a perfect blend of luxury performance and cutting-edge technology. This high-performance SUV coupe is designed to turn heads while delivering an exhilarating driving experience with its sleek coupe-like silhouette, aggressive AMG styling and powerful engine. The GLE 53 Coupe is ready to take on any road in style. Under the hood, the 2026 GLE 53 Coupe is powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine paired with an EQ boost mild hybrid system. This combination produces an impressive 429 horsepower and 313 lb-ft of torque, with an extra 21 horsepower and 184 lb-ft of torque from the electric boost. The result, a smooth yet thrilling drive with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 5 seconds. Mercedes-AMG Tune4matic Plus all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction, while the 9-speed automatic transmission provides seamless gear shifts whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through winding roads. The GLE 53 Coupe delivers a dynamic yet refined driving experience visually. The 2026 GLE 53 Coupe boasts a muscular stance with an aggressive front grille featuring the signature AMG vertical slats. The redesigned LED headlights give it a sharp modern look, while the sculpted body lines enhance its sporty appeal. The sloping roof line not only adds to the aesthetic but also improves aerodynamics, making this SUV co-op as functional as it is stylish. March 21-inch alloy wheels come standard, but buyers can opt for larger performance-focused wheels for an even more commanding presence. The rear end features aquad exhaust setup and a subtle lip spoiler, further emphasizing its AMG DNA. Step inside and you're greeted by luxurious and high-tech cabin. Premium materials including leather, aluminum and carbon fiber create an upscale atmosphere. The AMG performance seats offer excellent support and comfort, perfect for long drives or spirited driving sessions. The latest MBUX infotainment system dominates the dashboard with a massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a matching 12.3-inch touchscreen display. The system features voice control, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an upgraded Burmeister sound system for an immersive audio experience. Ambient lighting with 64 colors allows for personalization, creating the perfect mood inside the cabin. Mercedes-Benz has also packed the 2026 GLE 53 Coupe with advanced driver assistance systems. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking make this SUV not just powerful but also incredibly safe. The latest version of the augmented reality head-up display ensures you stay informed without taking your eyes off the road. On the road, the adaptive air suspension ensures a comfortable ride while also allowing for sportier handling when needed, with multiple drive modes including Comfort, Sport Plus and individual. Drivers can tailor the driving dynamics to their preference. For those who love the thrill of performance driving, the optional AMG Dynamic Plus package adds features like race mode and a more aggressive exhaust note. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE 53 Coupe is the perfect SUV for those who crave luxury, technology and performance in one stunning package. Let us know your thoughts in the 2026 Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 Hybrid showcases a refined rear design that seamlessly blends performance aesthetics with modern hybrid cues. Key features include: the rear is accentuated by AMG's signature quad exhaust tips, emphasizing its performance pedigree. Sleek, horizontally oriented LED taillights provide a contemporary and distinctive appearance. Subtle hybrid-specific badges on the tailgate denote its electrified powertrain. A redesigned rear bumper with integrated diffuser elements enhances aerodynamics and visual appeal. A roof-mounted spoiler adds a sporty touch while aiding in aerodynamic efficiency. These elements collectively contribute to a rear profile that is both dynamic and indicative of the vehicle's hybrid capabilities. The comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Dream Cars for more amazing car content. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.